Hey guys, quick little disclaimer. I'm normally not really into that stuff, but I mean, I kind of feel like I have to, so here we are. Don't open up dampeners, please, okay? These nuts, don't open them up, okay? I mean, I kind of know what I'm doing. I'm just poking around mostly, but in these cases, most of the time, I know what I'm doing, and they're not pressurized. Most of them, these dampeners are pressurized and could, or rather will, blow up in your face. So yeah, don't open these up if you're not knowing what you're doing. And yeah, I mean, I don't know what I'm doing, but please don't do everything I do. I guess that's it. Sorry for the interruption, and have fun with the video.
Got a package from my Polish friends, and it looks like we've got dampeners for the Audi. Already gone ahead and spared you the disassembly. Going to take the rest of the dampeners apart, so the feathers and the springs and stuff like that. Maybe clean up the hubs, the lower control arms, and maybe a bit the brakes, but that's for later. For now, we've got these ones. We need to check if they fit the knuckle, because these are different kind of dampeners, because I didn't get any others. And yeah, so I'd say let's get started. Ooh, look at that. New hardware. Kind of crazy, okay? And also new strut mounts or upper feather leaf spring mounts. So that's kind of crazy. Didn't expect that. Springs off. Just had a little bit of worry as the spring decompressed and jumped a bit, but yeah, pants are dry and everything's fine. So yeah, in case you're wondering, as you can see, that's one of the reasons we're replacing the struts. And yeah, down here it leaked somewhat, and I didn't want to mess with it. You can see it anymore, but yeah, not nice. This is already a new dampener. Old feather over there. I'm going to quickly disassemble this one. The rest is somewhere in here. Somewhere. And yeah, we'll throw it in here, and I'll maybe get on painting these two, because I've got new ones, and yeah, they aren't really old. They're maybe half a year or a year and look like shit, so yeah. That's not nice. So let's get moving. I've got a feeling, and cleaned out the strut a bit, and yeah, I guess you can see what I found in there. So going to clean out the other one, and I'll keep you informed.
This strut assembled. New dampener, new strut. You know it. I'll then mix up some paint. Paint the upper section there. I mean, you can see on camera it's a bit pitted from my use of non-violent methods. I don't know. I'll do the same over here. Put in my strut, put on a new cap, put in some oil, and we'll get on painting these because yeah, it doesn't take long to look like, yeah, for them to look like this. And while we're at it, I guess I could clean up the lower control arms and make a bit of a batch. Weather's relatively nice, so yeah, I'll get onto it. So, I'm going to set up something here to hang my parts a bit, especially these two. And maybe I'll hang up these two, but I guess I'll paint them holding it up or something. I don't know. We'll get there eventually, so stay tuned. So, paint guns filled up. I'm starting with the dampeners and move on. I hope for the best. So, let's get started. Everything's painted, as you can see, here, there, this stuff. I mean, yeah, it's not pretty, but I think I can be pretty proud of myself. So yeah, nothing of this is going to be seen ever again. I just wanted to make it look good or rust-free or as good as possible, because I've already gone ahead and painted all of this. I'll spare you the details of cleaning up and hanging it all off and putting it away, stuff like that. I'm going to clean up. Tell me what, in the meantime, tell me what would you do differently because of painting and this and that, and I don't know. Tell me, what would you have done if you wanted to paint your engine bay, other parts? Tell me something. Write me something nice or not nice in the comments. Got my stuff painted. It looks fairly decent. I mean, it's black. I think it's okay. Got the upper spring mounts, new springs, some tools, my dampeners, and yeah, that's it. So we're starting here and assemble the struts. She's looking nice. Nice and new. Shocks be looking nice. Nice and new compared to the old ones. I'd say definitely an upgrade overall. So next up to the list, I don't know, maybe pull something in there a bit, poke around, maybe clean up this, that. I've got a few other parts. There's engine crane and engine transmission put together. Hey guys, thank you for watching to the end. I mean, I'm pretty happy about it, as you can see. these two pretty much looking fresh compared to the old ones, and I hope you had fun. I'll put something here, here, and here somewhere, and yeah, enjoy it while you can. Have fun and have a nice day. See you.